Hi everyone, Mike here with Zap Adhesives, and today we're going to be talking about our new product. This is the Zap-O Xtra, part number PT-25X. Zap is proud to bring out a brand new product. This is our Zap-O Xtra, part number PT-25X. This is a foam-safe CA. It is shockproof. The shockproof is in the formulation, not by adding any additional components such as a rubber or anything of that nature. There's no accelerator required. So if you are used to using our traditional Zap-O, which is the PT-25, this one you will not need our accelerator. It's also odorless. So this is a great option for those that are sensitive to the fumes that come off of a normal CA glue. The viscosity on this is halfway between Zap-A-Gap and Zap-CA. So it's a great building option for you. And it does resist water and temperature. So those that are using the Zap-O in a wet environment, so if you're using the Zap-O for fly tying, doing poppers or things of that nature, this is a great option for you. So let's start off showing you how this works. Got a piece of foam here. I'll go ahead and cut this. We're going to go ahead and put a dab there and hold. Now we do ask that you hold this for 30 seconds, and what the 30 seconds is just allowing that time for that glue to set up. And when you are working with foam, I do ask that you really give it a firm press to make sure that everything gets locked in tight, and then what you'll find is this will hold very well. And we're all glued up. Now because of the viscosity, I'm going to cut this one more time right here. Because we wanted to make this a thinner glue for thinner than our PT-25, because we wanted this to work in many different building options and not just foam. It's for those that are sensitive to CA glues. What you're going to find is gluing a cracked piece of foam together, you may need some accelerant or some moisture added to it, and that is because this is very similar to gluing end grain wood. End grain wood to end grain wood is very difficult to adhere together because the end grain, and in this case the end grain of the foam, is all open, and the glue is going to absorb down into the foam before it sets. So in this situation, there's two things you can do. One is you can use a spritz of water or moisture here, and then you go ahead and put your glue on the other side. 8, 9, 10, and I did put a little too much glue on here. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And it's set up. Okay. Or what you could also use is the Zap Foam Safe Kicker. This is our part number PT-28, and this is safe on all foams. So if you're just doing skin to skin, you won't need any type of assistance, but if you are using gluing an end grain, you may need an assistance like a moisture or the accelerant, because this is a little thinner than our normal Zap-O. Now, if you are working with your wood options, so I have a piece of balsa wood here, and we'll glue those together for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And that's all glued up. The other reason that we went with the thinner viscosity is for building, and if you have a tight joint, now you can treat the Zap-O similar to your Zap CA or your thinner CAs, and you can run that right down the joint. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And it's set up. So this is a great product, not just for your foams. For traditional building with woods, working with foam, doing your models, whether you are sensitive to the CA fumes or not, this is going to be a great product for you. This is part number PT-25X. This is the Zap-O Xtra from Zap. Thank you so much. Have yourself a wonderful day.